Hey guys, this is Donna with Donna Coker's A Cherry Bloom Handmade Soaps, and the software just chose a winner. The contest just ended, and I'll pop a picture of the screenshot of where it picked the random winner. The winner is, and I don't get names, I get emails, so I'm going to read the email and then I'm going to email the person and let them know. The winner is JL Ennis 0505 at gmail.com, and I just had written it down from the screenshot. So congratulations, and you will be receiving your gift pack in the mail, and we hope you love your products, and if you do, I hope you will definitely leave us a good review on our Facebook page. And remember guys, you can all connect with me on Facebook at A Cherry Bloom, Instagram A Cherry Bloom, and you can go straight to my site, acherrybloom.com, and we'll talk to you next time. Thanks. Bye.